Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Redfin lead management to organize follow-ups step by step clearly. To enable Redfin lead management for organizing follow-ups, begin by logging into your Redfin account. Navigate to the lead management section of the dashboard. Locate the settings gear icon, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find the lead management tab. Select this tab to reveal various lead management options. Enable the lead notifications toggle if it is not active. This will ensure you receive alerts for any new leads. Next, customize your lead follow-up settings. Choose an appropriate follow-up frequency that suits your workflow. Consider options like immediate, daily, or weekly follow-ups. Save your changes to ensure they take effect. Now, return to the lead management dashboard. Review your current leads displayed on the screen. For each lead, click on the follow-up icon. Add notes to help you remember key details about each lead. Schedule reminders for follow-ups based on your chosen frequency. Utilize the tagging feature to categorize leads effectively. Tags can help you segment your leads by status or interest. Regularly check the dashboard for updates on your leads. This will keep you informed about any necessary actions. Finally, refine your follow-up strategies as needed. Adjust your settings based on your experience with the leads over time. This will help you maintain organized and efficient follow-up practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.